Today guys, I show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Windows 10 and Windows 11 fixed internet connection issues. Okay guys, first you need to do, just press Windows button like me and type settings and open it and move here to network and internet. First you need to do, turn off your internet or Wi-Fi, just turn the cable off and wait 10 seconds. After that, just input cable on and you will see like this. If you don't see this, just scroll here down and you will see here change adapter option. Open it and you will see this. By me is Ethernet. Maybe you have Wi-Fi. Go right click and you will see here disable. Click on it and wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, right click and you will see enable. Click on it and wait for this and you will see connected. If you still have issues, close this too, press Windows button and type like me troubleshoot settings. Open it and you will see additional troubleshooters. Click this and move here to internet connection. Open it and you will see run troubleshooter. Click on it. Wait for this. Just go here while try to connect. After finishing that, close this and check your internet now. If you still have problem, close this, press Windows button and say PC. Go right click and you will see manage and you will see new window computer management. Move here to device manager, click on it and find here like me connection adapters. Click this and you will see all your adapters here. Go right click and go update drivers. Search automatically for drivers. After finishing that, close this. Go right click on this first and you will see scan hardware changes. After that, you can close this and check your internet now. I show you one more last part. Press Windows button and type like me CMD and you will see run as administrator. Open it. Go yes and type this command ipconfig/flashdns. Hit enter and you will see like this. Now type ipconfig/relights, click on it and you will see this. You can close this and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, check internet now, press Windows button and type like me settings and go here on network. Scroll here down and you will see here like me network reset. Click on it and click here reset now. Your PC will be restarted. And that's all guys for this video, how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.